Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I want to show you the results of the synchronization I just did between my desktop computer and the cloud web version of ACT. So right now when you look at this you'll see it still says 108 contacts. Now if I had logged out of the web version and came back in, it would show me the updated number. However, because I'm already in here, there's a couple things I can do, or a couple ways I can do the same thing. I want to refresh my data. So a keyboard shortcut to refresh data when you're in a web browser is the F5 key. But if you can't remember that one, you can also come up to the top of the browser, and this little circular arrow right here also will do a refresh. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to refresh my data that I see on the screen. It's just updating it. And if you think of refresh like updating, now when you look at this, there's the 5,000, almost 5,400 contacts. There's all my data. And if I want to look at this in a list view to see all of this information, I clicked on list view over on the right hand side, and now here are all my contacts right there. So you saw the synchronization, you saw how it works, and now all my data is here, and I can work with it here within ACT. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.